Have you been waiting long? If yes, you're using present perfect continuous. Try to answer this question. How long have you been learning English? Option A, I have been learning English for 12 years. Option B, I had learning English for 2 months. And option C, I'm learning English for 2 years. Which one is the correct answer? Excellent. I have been learning English for 12 years. So I here is the subject. Have or has been. Then we have verb ing. When should I use it? When I want to emphasize duration and for recently stopped actions. Like I can say, I'm tired because I have been working all day. So use have or has been plus verb ing for the actions that started in the past and are continuing to the present or just stopped. Mini practice. He blank wait for the bus since 8 a.m. Excellent. He has been waiting for the bus since 8 a.m. Now it's your turn. Answer this question in the comment section down below. How long have you been learning English? If you liked the video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your friends. Take care. Have fun.